Number one, what is the name of the hormone responsible for increasing the blood, the glucose level in the blood? So, in this video, I will not be putting options, just a straight subjective question. What is the name of the enzyme that is responsible for the digestion of protein in the stomach? An example of common fungi used by humans is dash. Number 4. Which parts of the scrotum is sperm temporarily stored? And the last question, what is the part of the reproductive system in women that fertilizes the egg? That is the ovum. So I'll read the question again, then I'll pause so that you can give yourself a chance to answer it before we answer it. So let's start. What is the name of the hormone responsible for increasing the glucose level in the blood? The first thing you have to know is, what is an hormone? Yes, an hormone are chemical messengers, yes, that are secreted into the bloodstream, directly into the bloodstream, from the site of production to the target organs. And it's a particular hormone that regulates the glucose level. Yes, and we have two hormones that does that, which is insulin and glucagon. Insulin and glucagon. But the question is asking for one, and asking for a specific one. Is asked the hormone that is responsible for increasing the glucose level. Now, insulin does not increase the glucose level. Insulin decreases the glucose level, because when the glucose level is too high in the body, insulin converts the excess glucose to glycogen and stores it. Then it's now the work of glucagon to now increase the glucose by converting that stored glycogen to what? To glucose. So our answer here is what? Glucagon. And in case they ask you where is it produced, it is produced in the pancreas, specifically the islets of Langerhans. The islets of Langerhans. What is the name of the enzyme that is responsible for the digestion of protein in the stomach? It was specific in the stomach. There are different enzymes responsible for digestion of protein, but the one directly responsible for the digestion of protein in the stomach is what we call pepsin. And the inactive form of pepsin, that's the zymotic form of pepsin, is what we call pepsinogen. All this must be noted. An example of common fungi used by humans is, we have different fungi used by humans. We have the likes of penicillium, which it was converted to penicillin, that is the tubercle cream. we have from but I will just pick one because I think I've taught that in my previous class. So we have one, a common one, the most common, which is what? Yeast. And yeast is used for making bread. We all know that. And it's the botanical name for yeast, which I always tell my students, and which is what? Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Do not forget, if you're writing about a botanical name, if this one should be big and this one should be small, then you underline it. That is the botanical name for yeast. Then number 4, which part of the scrotum is sperm temporarily stored? It's asking for where it is temporarily stored. You know, we have different parts in the scrotum. We have the vas deferens, we have the seminiferous tubules, we have the epididymis, we have the different part like that. But the particular one where sperm is actually stored um temporarily is the epididymis. It is stored there because it have not mature. Have not mature. So to stay there till mature until when the man is about to use it. So it will not come out. What is the part of the reproductive system in women that fertilizes the egg? That's the ovum. You know, we have different parts in the reproductive system of a woman. We have the uterus, we have the vagina, we have the ovaries. But the specific one for fertilization of egg is what we call the fallopian tube. So that is all for this video lesson. Please do well to like, do well to comment, do well to subscribe, share, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you and have a nice day. Stop now.